Okay, students, now we are going to start the ninth question. The ninth question of exercise 5.2. What the question is? If the third term and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Okay, so let us do it. If the third term, now third term is T3 and ninth term means T9 are 4 and minus 8, which term means we need to find this unknown value, which term of AP is 0. Okay, means this 4th term, 9th term, 10th term, then which number of term have value 0? It means we need to find this n. Now we know the formula of Tn, a plus n minus 1 into d. Now n we need to find. Okay, we know the formula for Tn, a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, but here we need to find this n. To find this n, we need to have two things, a and d. So first of all we will find d because we know the formula for d. Okay, Tm minus Tn upon m minus n, that is the formula. We know it well. Tm, let's take T9 minus T3. So here we will have m minus n, means 9 minus 3. Okay, now T9 is minus 8 minus T3 is 4 upon 9 minus 3 is 6. Now if you can see, both have same sign, so it will be an addition. Minus 8 and minus 4, so 8 and 4 is 12. Divide by 6. Now 6 2s are 12. So D is minus 2. So now we have a value of D, minus 2. Now we need to find A. For this, let's take any of this one. Let's take this T3. T3 is 4. Now we can use the same formula here of Tn, a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n is 3 minus 1 into d. D is what? Minus 2. So let us have minus 2 here. We need to find this A first. A, 3 minus 1 is 2. Here we have minus 2 equal to 4. A plus minus minus, because they are in multiply, so plus minus minus, 2 2s are 4 equal to 4. Now minus 4, if we take it here, it will change into plus 4. That is 8. So now we have a value of A as 8 and value of D as minus 2. Now we need to find at which value of n Tn is 0. Okay, now value of formula of Tn is, we know a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. Okay, now a is 8. We need to find this n. We have d minus 2, again equal to 0. Take this plus 2 here, or we can do this also. See, this is 8, they are in multiply, so plus minus minus 2 times n minus 1 equal to 0. Take this into right side, minus, because the sign of this is minus, so it will change into plus. So 8 equal to 2 times n minus 1. Now we can do directly here. 2 4s are 8. Take this minus 1 into right side, it become plus 1. So 4 plus 1, that is 5. So that is how we can get the value of n as 5. Okay, it means fifth term of this AP, okay, fifth term of this AP will be 0. Okay, that is the solution. Now if you find any difficulty, just write it on comment section and I will try to solve all your difficulties as maximum as possible. Okay, thank you.